Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairunisa Marasabisi and my metric number is 266828.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Richard Cohen and my metric number is 252460.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifana Faida Mariana with the metric number 266833.
Hi, my name is Wano Anisna Devaduado. My metric number is 281960.
In this current situation, the utilization of information and technology in creative industry will possibly ease both the entrepreneur and the society in assessing the availability of the creative product. This paper examines Facebook as a creative application and try to promote the new service that is called as fast food and more depth explanation about the appropriate audiences and value that we can offer through this new service.
So now I will talk about the discussion of appropriate audience. So our new product Fast Food, the proposed new Facebook service or an online platform which can make the audience easily to order and buy any food they want without buying face-to-face to the seller. For using this platform, we divide the audience or the buyer into three types. The first we have safe audience, the second we have custom audience, and lastly we have lookalike audience.
This Facebook is a service that Facebook creates and provides for people and the users around the world to connect their food business existence with the people or the buyers near and around them directly without the intervention of the second party. In this Facebook service or Facebook, the food account that the users or sellers have will be advertised by Facebook, and the users or the buyers will connect with the food account they search for. It helps the users to order the food from the food account in Facebook directly. It will ease the buyers as they cannot merely order the food but also suggest the food account who sell it to their friends, add their testimony or pictures to the food account intended, while also still managing to use Facebook as a platform to socialize with others.
Why we should use Facebook? It's because Facebook is the application with sophisticated technology, and Facebook can connect the buyer and the seller easily. The Facebook can also make the buyer that wants become the seller. Besides that, Facebook will help the seller to branding and marketing their product if they want.
Facebook's new service should be developed and implemented immediately, especially in this era and current situation. As today, COVID-19 pandemic has been causing many problems and a huge disadvantage, especially toward the food seller who still wants to sell their food as for their income, and people who want to order the food online without having to hassle to go out and still apply physical distancing. This renewal service can be beneficial for both users as the service can be very helpful and for Facebook income itself.
The target audience of Facebook is all the people all around the world. But over time, the number of Facebook audience may increase or decreasing. For example, as of October 2020, it was found that the 9.4% of global active Facebook users were women between the age of 18 to 24 years old, and male users between the age of 25 to 34 years old. It's the biggest demographic group of Facebook users all over time. These all users can become the Facebook audience for now and in the future.
Moreover, this Facebook service or Facebook will be applicable not only in the metropolis, as Facebook will spread their huge technology, convenience, and come in handy impact to the rural area. However, they also manage to simplify its usage to be attainable and accessible by many people.
Discussion of the important factor of the new creative service of Facebook to be more productive. Firstly, the important factor of Facebook to be productive is to create differences from the exciting food delivery service in Malaysia. This includes a free payment registration process from this critical time. This is because current situation in the pandemic have slowed down the economic activity between the locals. So, this small action from Facebook may ease a bit of burden carried by the entrepreneur. Unlike exciting food delivery services such as Foodpanda and GrabFood, the fast food delivery rider could be self-appointed from each seller to provide job opportunities for their close friends or families. Although it may look bad on the company views for not providing the overall delivery service, this measure has been taken to save Facebook's company budget along with their vision and help the entrepreneur to survive in this critical pandemic. However, in order to add the values of fast food further, Facebook does provide the delivery service for sellers that are not able to provide the delivery system because of their disability or resource shortage. It can be said that the delivery service provided are limited and the seller needs to hand in the request or for accessing the delivery service from the Facebook team.
In addition, Facebook fast food feature also can be productive by practicing the measure of connecting with people. Facebook will provide a space for users to give feedback on the service after using this feature. Feedback is really important for one's company to improve their service from time to time. In short, all the confusion or problem faced by the user while using this feature can be channeled properly in this section. Next, the seller can stay connected with customer by posting discount and promotional codes for business, product or the service. In order to ensure the customer comes back for more, the access to promo code is limited to about 50 people only. So if a customer sees a expired promo code, they will likely to check back to see when the next promo code is posted.
The discussion above mainly explains how creative products could simply contribute to the advantages for the seller, users who only want to use social media, and those who can take advantage of new features at the same time in maximizing the benefit given by Facebook through a new service which is known as fast food. It is not only the food service feature, but it offers some important value that can be enjoyed by the users in one time, start from the differences facility offered by the involved seller, delivery system which can make the process more flexible, and the existence of a place where the users can freely propose their opinion or their comment through the utilization of the fast food service.